Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you about Punic Wars. Punic Wars were a series of wars between 264 and 146 BC fought between Rome and Carthage. The First Punic War broke out on the Mediterranean island of Sicily in 264 BC as a result of Rome's expansionary attitude combined with Carthage's proprietary approach to the island. At the start of the war, Carthage was the dominant power of the Western Mediterranean, with an extensive maritime empire, while Rome was a rapidly expanding power in Italy. With a strong army but no navy. The fighting took place primarily on Sicily and its surrounding waters, as well as in North Africa, Corsica and Sardinia. It lasted 23 years, until 241 BC. When after immense material and human losses on both sides the Carthaginians were defeated. By the terms of the peace treaty, Carthage paid large reparations and Sicily was annexed as a Roman province. The end of the war sparked a major, but eventually unsuccessful revolt within Carthaginian territory known as the Mercenary War. The Second Punic War began in 218 BC and witnessed the Carthaginian General Hannibal's crossing of the Alps and invasion of mainland Italy. This expedition enjoyed considerable early success and campaigned in Italy for 14 years before the survivors withdrew. There was also extensive fighting in Iberia, modern Spain and Portugal, Sicily, Sardinia and North Africa. The successful Roman invasion of the Carthaginian homeland in Africa in 204 BC led to Hannibal's recall. He was defeated in the Battle of Zama in 202 BC and Carthage sued for peace. A treaty was agreed in 201 BC which stripped Carthage of its overseas territories and some of its African ones. Imposed a large indemnity, severely restricted the size of its armed forces, and prohibited Carthage from waging war without Rome's express permission. This caused Carthage to cease to be a military threat. Rome contrived a justification to declare war on Carthage again in 149 BC, starting the Third Punic War. This conflict was fought entirely on Carthage's territories in what is now Tunisia and centered on the siege of Carthage. In 146 BC the Romans stormed the city of Carthage, sacked it, slaughtered most of its population and completely demolished it. The Carthaginian territories were taken over as the Roman province of Africa. The ruins of the city lie east of modern Tunis on the North African coast.